Rega Samuga dito tampau ting on to twane hadi haibo Liangmai quick take biblical podcast ka fibo mai Matthew to Krista zanga tawe tanai po one dun boga overcoming life challenges chibo lamba din kanya is Hebrew chapter 12 verse 1 to 4 gani to zafim sampake mai kasyam ne life is a journey to the dinner mai kasyam ne life is a race to the dinner haibo race masai life journey ga mai kan khat ni akugura chrium gen chibo masai challenge dawmage chindro mai hai chimning palamra mai na chil za the deeply alum sai chil za challenges masai chrium gen chibura daw sangjing ro bai chim sha len se za bible ga ni din John chapter 16 verse 33 ga chil din this thing I have spoken to you that in me you may have peace but in the world you will have tribulation but be good and cheer I have overcome the world Iniu haisin naliu kuga dinbora naliu niu agu agi manai bo bamnura lenge kadipri niu naliu tu kam chliu sune judi huji bamno iniu kadipri to nam de judi dine kadipri niu aliu tu kam chliu ra ko ju se tingwang siu jin so pan al palat chilo sa juja din khadia ko huji bamna aliu juja din khadia juja aliu go linking a chliu magen chibo one moment na nalum chunga alum chunga tim that aluni free butinga James chapter 1 verse 2 to 4 the free butinga alini ju jengawe singnama yo naliu puga madiugo bazat hina hai wangsai naliu san uye ju maning lulo pulamra naliu go malum bosiniu hai kumbo madiugo hina tu ngamlubo ga pumtan se wangboe jiu naliu go king si bosiniu pi kaumi mabra free lulo Susai wa khat na di tangmak bo thuma bo the thui lu bu ye ji din the life challenges I say my ko tam ji wong my kan sia me ko through family problems my kan sia mo health problem masa health issue masa financial issue masa relationship problem masa tam go stress jo anxiety depression future le mani khala ja I haide tiu khairo ju go insecurity bo sa challenge se tam za mai tam za je face je aliu KARINGTING bo je magen che wa ko bo wan mo mutinga je je aliu overcome chiro lo film sam kai wain nyaro na je share che ne point kingdom is point number 1 fix your eyes on Jesus or looking unto Jesus I said Hebrew chapter 12 verse 2 ga fi mutinga je aliu ma looking unto Jesus the author and finisher of our faith Jriu magen chiwa wanga aliu tingwang to primason tatai all we need to do is to look unto him to fix our eyes on him to keep our eyes above the wave and we have to remind ourselves that this is the only time that we walk by sheer faith aliu malumbo hamisra aliu jriu magen chiwa wanga aliu daw ngi taw wanga Matthew chapter 14 verse 28 to 31 of reading Peter ni tuibiga tatbora chamse limo the verse 30 of reading when Peter saw that the wind is boisterous he was afraid and began to sink Peter si pama songa Jesus Christ chapambuto frimazon je tatmarga tingkai tanbuto frimazon butinga pahaisik bingnie hadi pasi tui juga malin biras ko ito sa haise diga ni lo ito sa pasi tingkai tan mo to focus chiu chumi bo je so pat jai kom sa ali LinkedIn ga di chiu magen chiu bo mo tinga ali tingwang to free mo zon sa tat maksai ali di Peter kom sa ali bo problems which is a sing chiu our life will started to sing tingwang to free mo zon bo tinga ali le pum tan bi khai ne just a palat din fear not have a fear not to a phrase I say Bible got 365 times to count it is a din I say my concern interpret you nai mo chang na ping mak do za ali wo LinkedIn ata wo tan ma din kai bo is my concern din is a quotation akhat ka is a din every situation is well and good when you see from the eyes of Jesus what he na hai say once bambo patsa bambo ko hi na se tingwang bom le free ga de ne free buting we come it is a Romans 8:28 ga de free silent jo all things works together for good for those who love God is a nang you nago seriu mugen chibo wanna aniti wang tum lum jeta go sai. Your struggle will turn into your testimony. Nago seriu ju to masai nago haibo challenges problems I see nago testimony chilana nago message chilana boy habse pas bambu wang bambu hi na haise tingwang plan he tiusi tingwang to si mai masai po lomba me po lum chungara chis nam san tis a power. The point number 2 ga depends on God's grace. Tingwang go lum set ga menu hebo I say 2 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 9 ga tis face at Liangmai. My grace is sufficient for you. Ago lung set haisi naleng kapui bo ite jitin. Pon yu pugu chari bo haisi luthwan mira king tinga tingwang ni haisi je pokang ni. Lamna tingwang mo pumtan haisi nahu ago kuson boga tutui khai boy. His strength made perfect in our weakness. The following verse ga ni to filan tinga Paul boga Yesu Kristan ni tingwang itu the ding hai tinga pani itu the dilan ni lotus. Let me read it again. Verse 9b to 10 ni therefore most gladly I would rather boast in my infirmities that the power of Christ rests upon me. Therefore I take pleasure in infirmities, in reproach, in need, in persecution, in distress, for Christ's sake. For when I am weak, then I am strong. Jesus Christa jengyo kason boga kamangam boga mathat boga magen thiu boga aleng kimbo thiwen palamra inyo kason boga si itanma me za aludit bol kun za tingwang lung sega menyo have tinga aludeng di hai kombo attitude right attitude se mama sa ade boga kimbo se wons ne palamra tingwang da yo to aludeng pum tan ti hai ne za kanai Liangmai quick take biblical podcast na free ba mai KARINGTING was serving go again thibo kamsa tingwang ga film zone de ta ko adi tingwang lo long set ga ngi khaile lo chu sai pani na leng pum tan thi khai bine ka mai chu ka mai ga tingwang ni pum tan ka ni ta ko chu